Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, this is Dhanush here. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox Google Home Mini. You can see the product in my hand, which look awesome and attractive. On the side of the box, you can see the brand link with the Google Home, which Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube. On the side of the box, you can see the mighty and small information about the Google Home. You can see the Google Home Mini powered by the Google Assistant. It takes ask questions, tell it to do things. On the side of the box, you see the commands which can you activate the Google Home. Let's start with the unboxing. You can see the product inside the box. Let's take it out and check out the accessories. Inside the box, you'll get a manuals and with the charger. The charger comes with a 3 meter long, so you can place anywhere. Let's keep the box side and check with the assistant. The product is so light, so you can carry anywhere easily and place anywhere. On the top of the product, you will get a fabric cloth. On the back side, you will get a rubber pad, so you can place anywhere. And with the mic button, which you can control the mic. This product comes with 3 colors: black, white, and grey color. If you like to buy this product, I will provide a link in description. Make sure to check that one. And let's start with demo, and you can give any command to your Google Assistant. It will do. Hey Google,
Your voice perks me up literally. How may I help?
how was the day?
I'm plugged in and ready to go. What can I do for you?
Hey Google, what is the time now?
It's 2:51 p.m.
Hey Google, what is the weather in my area?
Currently in Bamasandar it's 28 degrees and partly cloudy. Today there'll be isolated thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 28 and a low of 20.
Hey Google, what is today date?
It is Tuesday the 28th of July 2020.
Hey Google, navigate to home.
You can see the full route on your phone.
Hey Google, order pizza on Domino's.
I found several choices. The first is Domino's Pizza at ground floor number 55, RS Tower, Bamasandar, near Jade Empire Hotel and Bamasandar Flyover, Hosur Road, Bengaluru.
Hey Google,
Do you want this one?
yes, stop.
Okay, cancelled.
Hey Google, play broadcast.
Alright, here's where you stopped in the daily, the family that profited from the opioid crisis, playing on Google Podcasts.
Hey Google, I love you.
What a wonderful thing to say.
Hey Google, increase volume. Hey Google, are you married?
I'm still waiting for the right electronic device to steal my heart.
Good. Hey Google, what's the news?
Here's the latest news from NDTV at 2:30 p.m. today.
Numbers are touching new record for 4 days running. India is touching nearly 50,000 cases a day for the fourth day. The Prime Minister is now launching testing centers across India and key states like UP and West Bengal. The good news, Delhi has dropped to just around 600 cases a day. COVID centers.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, play High Sky by NCS.
Okay, Sky High by Electronomia. Here it is on Spotify.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
If you want me to remember your birthday, you can add it to your Google account.
No. Hey Google, sing me a song.
I made this song just for you.
I'm your personal assistant. Do 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 do. I'm here to help you. Do 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 do. I can search for you, even find you places. Call for you, mail for you, chat with you, laugh with you, sing for you, even play games and cover many bases. I'm your personal assistant. Do 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 do. I'm here to help you. Do 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 do.
Hey Google, call Likit.
Making an audio call to Likhit on Duo.
Hey Google, broadcast to LG soundbar. Sound.
Okay, broadcasting now.
Hey Google, you look so beautiful.
Thanks, I like to think that beauty comes from within.
Stop. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like this product, I will provide link in description, and do not forget to subscribe and click on bell button, and we will back on next video. Until that, goodbye.
Thank you.